heard a lot from many Malaysian moms saying their kids often cough at night or there's a musty smell in the room. But most of the time it's actually caused by humidity. Especially during raining season or you keep closing your window, humidity level can exceed 80%. Not all dehumidifiers are the same. Shea dehumidifier not just remove humidity, but it also can purify the air and kills the bacteria. Since using Shea dehumidifier, the child really gets not cough anymore, and the room smells fresher all day. It's definitely the most worth it when it comes to the family health.